Welcome to another episode of going from nothing to profitable, from nothing to something. Today we're going to talk about premium and discount. First, we need to understand the basic dynamics of the market. So price is a push-pull between buyers and sellers. So market participants buy, price goes up, they take profit, it sells back down. They buy again because it's again for them fair value and goes like that. But nothing goes up forever, so it needs to revert and come back to the 50% again to the fair value in terms of higher time frame. Like this could be 5 minutes or 15 minutes, and this price lag would look something like this on the hourly. Simple example. With that in mind, premium and discount just says that 50% of the latest range, the upper band, is premium, and that the buyers are in control and the price is more likely to sell back down, tap the equilibrium, the 50% of the range, and get the sellers or the buyers to get back involved. The lower band is just the 50% of the discount zone. So just vice versa. Buyers want to buy here, sellers want to sell here. Let's show you some examples. Currently I'm on the hourly time frame, so just identify the latest range, the latest trading range from the low to the high. We take the drawing tool, go from the low to the high of that range, and this is our zone. I can show you settings on the Fibonacci tool, on the trading view. It's just the fib retracement. These are my settings. I have the 0.45, 0.5. I have this set to opacity 0, this one to 100, and just like that. You can copy these settings to take screenshots. Price goes back to fair value and continues to push again. With that in mind, we can, since the price is fractal, and we already talked about this in the previous videos, can scale into the 5 minute. And on the 5 minute time frame, this would be our latest trading range. So we take from the low to the high, draw the equilibrium, the fair value, and we want to see maybe a shallow sweep to take out the buy side liquidity and then to rebalance back to the 50%. But we could also see rebalance back to 50% and then a push up. We cannot predict what the market is trying to do. We have to adapt and react from what it's doing. But we are currently in premium and buyers are in control, and we are more likely to sell off back again. And I can show you some more examples, like just scroll back down, and what do we see? From the high to the low, tap the 50%. I have nothing to add. Just from the low to the high, some bullish example, tapped it, respected, buying pressure out of here. But since the overall direction of the trend was bearish, it did not change the trend. It just rebalanced to the 50% of the previous smaller range, like here, and went down again. You have to just really go search for it for yourself. Hop in the trading view, scroll back in the past, and draw these 50% Fibonacci zones. The premium and the discount. Again, tap the premium. Tap the equilibrium. This is gonna be a short video because it's not really complicated. You just have to go from the low to the high and mark out a simple zone, 50%. So see you in the next one. Peace.